Okay, so now we've been graphing linear equations. Now we're going to write them out. So the first thing I'm going to start with is when given the slope and the y-intercept. So if you have a problem and you are given the slope equals, we'll go with 5, and the y-intercept equals, we'll go with -2. Let's throw a negative in there. If you recall, we've been working with the equation form y equals mx plus b, so our slope-intercept form. We're going to use that form. Anytime we're given a slope and an intercept, we're going to go directly into that form. When we do, we're going to plug things in exactly in their spots. So we're going to plug in, we know that our slope is 5. We're going to plug that in into this place right here. So when I do so, I have my y equals 5, and my x goes along with it. And then my y-intercept right here, the -2, that's my b value. You just have to pay attention to that negative. And so when I plug that in, I have y equals 5x minus 2. That's it. You don't have to go any farther. That's your final answer for the equation that has this form. All right, I decided I'll do one more example in this category. So here the example is what the slope equals 1/4 and your y-intercept equals 3. So again, for starters, you're looking at the equation, the form of a line, y equals mx plus b, which is your slope-intercept. We've been doing this a lot. And you're going to go back to, in fact, here is your slope. It's no big deal that it's a fraction. It still just goes in that placement. So now we have y equals 1/4x. Because again, all I did is I took my m value and I plugged it into the spot right there. And then now I'm going to take my y-intercept, my value of 3, and I'm going to plug it in right here. I don't have to change the sign because I kept it positive in this case. So I'm going to have plus 3. And that is my equation. I don't have to do any more work.